Hey Greg, I went and bought one of them little testers. I've got it plugged directly into my inverter, and it's working just fine. Take it out of the inverter, plug it in here. Let me turn back on the shore power, and you can see it works fine. And now I'm going to go, because I'm plugged in the shore power, I'm going to go plug one into an outlet in the coach. Let's pick one. How about this one right here? All is good. You can see it's correct. Now let's see, that one's these ones up here are also running off the inverter. Everything works great. It looks like it's getting ready to rain, so I'm not gonna put my ground rod in the ground and show you, but I wanted to point out that those metal legs are touching the ground and they're mounted to the frame, and there's 4 of those. Okay, so from the frame, because everything's grounded to the frame, you know, everything normal, of course my tongue would be touching the ground if I didn't have the wood blocks, but there's another foot. But you can see my ground is right there. That's my main ground to the chassis, and it comes down. My converter's plugged into it or wired into it, and my inverter. So I think you might have an issue with possibly with your wiring, Greg. All right, I'll talk to you later. Hey Greg, I just shot a video of my system on shore power, on battery power, and you know, I went out and I bought one of those testers. I don't know if this is the same one you have or not. This one had the GFCI tester on it. I'll be right back, Brandy. So I wanted to, I just wanted to let you know that, I've got no open grounds. And again, of course, my trailer, I didn't deploy the ground bar like I was going to show you. I will show you that we got some weather getting ready to come in, so I don't want to drag too much out. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to upload this video and then post a link to it to you. Okay. I wanted to, today's Tuesday, so it's Crab Cake Tuesday for lunch. Cooked me up a couple of nice fat crab cakes and some green beans. Oh boy. All right.